Hello, I hope you are doing great. My name is Daniel, and this is the walkthrough video of your project. I'm going to explain some things on how you can manage and make edit to your Mighty Network project. So, number one, if you want to locate the landing page, you come to settings right here, and you come to marketing. When you over on marketing, let's click on marketing. I'm coming. Let's try this. If I come to marketing right here, so go to landing page. So click on these three dots. If you click on these three dots, so we can copy this. You can edit the landing page from here, but let me copy the URL, the link, so that you can see how the landing page look like. This is how the landing page look like. Mighty Network landing page is just basic compared to website builder. Mighty Network is mostly for community and membership. So, but for people that want to have maybe beautiful landing page, you can use other platform like Wix to build your landing page, and you can have your community on Mighty Network. For example, now let me show you a. So that is that, and so but that is that. If you want to edit the landing page, just click here, click on edit. So from here, you can just click on this first section. So this is the title, the main title. This is the subtitle. You can add text, and this is button. If I toggle this off now, that one will be off, and I can toggle it on back. So that is that, and you can make edit to as many things as you want on the page. So let me cancel this. So this one, I can click on it. You can also change the image. You can change the image right here. You can change the image, and so that's that. We can You can tweak the landing page. Now let's move to pricing plan. Remember, you come to settings at the up right here. So let's move to pricing plan. This is where you are going to connect your Zoom. If you want to create event and you want to have maybe your event will be taking place on Zoom, this is where to connect your Zoom. If you want to have you have already connected your Stripe, which is fine. Now, other thing that I want to talk about is the plan. We have the plan right here. The pricing plan. So you want to, in case you want to, the thing is this: once a pricing plan is created, you can't. There are some things you can't do in it. You can't change the price, but you can create new one. Once a pricing plan is created, let's go to the plan. This is the plan. This is the monthly. This is the monthly. If you click on this now, if I click on this, if you click on it, if you come to settings, These are the settings. So it asks screening question. You can manage screening question. Are you a black woman? Those are the screening question. And we have details. So you can edit the details. Maybe like the title, you can change the title, you can edit the details from here. You can change the images, you can change the sales page, you can change the benefit, you can change the description, you can change the description. And after you are done with your changes, you click save below. So that is that. And so that is that. Now we have space, the spaces are here, we have the welcome. Now this, after people check out a plan, this is the space they are going to land on. After they check out a plan, this is the page they will come to. This is the welcome space. You can edit it if you want to change anything. You can edit it. Maybe you want to change the title, you want to change the picture. If you want to change the picture, just click on it. You can delete this and you click on this plus icon. I'm coming, let me show you. So you just click on this plus icon, you just click on insert a an image, or if it is video, you can insert video, so that way you can add video to it. And we have the member introduce themselves, so people can comment under this to introduce themselves. You can, the same way, you can click on this three dots to, you can click on this, you can click on this three dots to edit it. And the same thing for all these pics. Now for example, now book for the month, you can share it like a post. Maybe you share like a post, maybe post, this is the book for the month that people are going to read. And we have chat. This one is like conversation, just like the way we have Facebook, the same way we have a WhatsApp group chat. That is how this work, where people can chat. And book recommendation, this is where you will see that. And we have event. So when you have upcoming event, this is where you can create your event. So just click on create, click on event. You can go live from here. So click on event. So you enter the event title. You can put it on repeat if it is repeat event. So the event date, from what time to what time, 9 p.m. to 9 to 10 p.m. That will be 1 hour. So you are going to put the date right here. So if it is every, maybe for example, if it is repeat, maybe daily, weekly, bi-weekly. Bi-weekly means every 2 weeks. You are going to include that. The header videos or images will be here. The description, if it is Zoom, this is where you are going to it will, but if you already connect your Zoom, it will show here. But if it is if it is a physical location, this is where you are going to, you will put, okay, local, and you put the venue, the street, the zip code, and maybe add a link. This one is optional. That is if the meeting is physical. So that is that about that. That is how you can set up event. And this one is where people can share their experience, post. And now let me explain something. On each on each space, we can, if you choose the growth plan or the scale plan, You can have many space, many feature in a space. For example, now let me manage this. Let me go to basic. Now I'm under the space now. So I come to features. So in this same space, I can have chat. I can enable chat in this same space. I can have chat. In this same space, I can have event. In this same space, I can have courses. You understand? So any of it that you don't like, just toggle it off. If I don't want course, let me first show you how it look like. So you can see now we have feed, which is like Facebook feed, like post. We have chat. So this is where chat take place. We have event and we have course. So in case, even though if you want it, if you want everything like this, maybe the work, the everything you want them to be in one space like this, you can do them. You can do that. You can add more with this plus icon. You can add more. You can add members so that people will see how many members is in this. So just toggle it on. Any of it that you want and any of it that you don't want, like course. Now if you don't want course, click on come to space features and click on toggle off. So that way it will not be there again. So that is that, and I hope so quickly take a look at the project and let me know if there's any question. I'm going to deliver the project now, and whenever you have chance to take a look at it, if there's any correction, I'm going to attend to it. Once again, thank you. It is good working with you. Bye bye.